Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. This is the Vevor 1-inch impact socket set. So it comes in a nice metal case and some foam padding to help keep everything in place. So first thing first, you have an 18-inch 1-inch extension. I mean, look how beefy that is. You get a 1-inch ratchet. Then you have a smaller 8-inch extension. And then you have a 1-inch breaker bar that this slides down to either end. And then these are your sockets. So that's 3 1/8. That is your 3-inch. That is your 2 15/16. That is your 2 3/4. Two 5/8. 2 1/2. 2 7/16. Then that is your 2 3/8. 2 3/16. 2 1/8. 2-inch. You got your 1 7/8. 1 13/16. 1 3/4. Then that is your 1 11/16. Then 1 5/8. And just kind of give you an idea of how big this ratchet is. This is like crazy big. So very cool and a pretty good complete set at this size. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.